Hey guys, welcome back to DXB Crypto. Hope you're doing really well. Now, the message is be fearful when others are greedy. Right now, everybody's fearful, so it's time to be greedy. This is going to be my consistent message in terms of how I see the opportunities in front of us now. We'll get into altcoins, but why is the crypto dumping? What's happening, guys? So this is on the news that Mt. Gox is basically 170 billion wiped off because of the Mt. Gox Bitcoin payout. Now, those of you that know who Mt. Gox are, it's basically a massive exchange that was hacked 10 years ago, biggest exchange to buy Bitcoin, and they hold millions upon millions of Bitcoin. So the the worry here is that the collapse in the obviously the payouts now are going to be something in the region of $9 billion. Now, the fear is, of course, exacerbated because there are bigger forces at play, guys, bigger than you and I's hands. And therefore, this is always going to be a situation where the market prices could be manipulated to this point. Having said that, the pressure on the crypto markets, the German government, I talked about this yesterday, and many other things. So what does that mean for us? Well, this is time. The only sad thing here is most people don't have enough dry powder. But as far as projects go, it's never been better. It has never been better. This is bear market prices. I'm looking at action back in 2023, 2022, and you can see here for the month, if you look at all the gains for the year, these are becoming, you know, of course, some of these are fantastic gains. And the comparison is over here. Look at Bonk, right? Look at CAS, still up on 6x. But if we look at the month, right, on the recent run, recent cycle, most things have significantly retraced. So what am I looking at today? Well, I'd be looking to buy quality over quantity. There are projects that people couldn't touch because the way the prices were just going. So if you wanted for example, in gaming, you've got Beam that has now retraced to 686 million. Not that I'm going to recommend you buy Beam. There are far better deals out there. But look at, if you've got big money, I think deep in Arweave, $1.4 billion. I think this gets to 20, 30 billion. Bitensa Tau, 1.4 billion. Imagine, this is like a quarter of the size of Kaspa now, right? This is, you know, still going to be the leader in the AI class. Now, the other one I'd look at here is Ondo Finance under $1. It's showing strength, has dropped probably the least out of these projects. Very good project to keep your eyes and ears on. Most people couldn't get to a cash network. A cash has now retraced. Now, these are the gems in the top, I would say probably the top 100 in my opinion. Injective is another one, 1.7 billion. Injective price now $18. So if you're wanting to get, I mean, this peaked at $50. This would easily be over $100 in the bull run, right? So if you wanted something relatively safe, that's where I would look to shop. Now, if we zoom out, and more often than not in these kind of times, you have to kind of look at the bigger picture. So we start going outside of the top 100, and you can see here, Meta Game Coin. Wow, this is absolutely exploded, right? And it will come down just like everything else, but look at that. I mean, precisely nothing, and then boom. It's incredible. And those of you that said the BNB chain is dead, well. MGC ecosystem to elevate your gaming experience. So this is obviously, a project on the BNB smart chain. I just didn't realize that it was going to explode as violently as it did. So congratulations to anybody. I mean, this was a penny not that long ago, right? So you get stuff like that. That's why it's worth actually zooming out and looking outside of the top 100. Now, if you wanted an excellent bargain here, you've got MAGA. What's the price of MAGA today? $4.85. I think that's a decent price. I'm sure you would agree that is absolutely decent price. Or MAGA, that should be maybe a consideration. Aerodrome Finance, $200 million, 42 cents, lowest it's been. And look at that. It's probably wiped out the all the gains that it had. Don't forget, this was like $2 just recently. And when money comes back into crypto, this is surely going to be one of those coins that absolutely run insane. Other things over here to consider. Echelon Prime is what now? Still $7. Quite strong, actually. I mean, the downtrend's been quite tough, but this is meant to go to below $7. And Echelon Prime is another one. Let's have a look at what Ronin is doing. This is $1.50. So in the top 200, Pepe coin as well. Shout out to Pepe coin. Now Pepe coin right now is at a $2.48. If you stake 1,000 Pepe coins, guys, you could easily start printing on basedai, and I think that's the, that's obviously the best thing to do over there. Now we continue. I mean, again, let's see Book of Meme now at a beautiful price. If you look at I think owning 100,000 of this meme is gonna be quite decent, and I think it's just $700 right now. Damn, I may just scoop up a little bag of the Book of Meme. Maybe double that up, because look, at the end of the day, it is a large market cap, but this will start printing. I know it's only a meme coin, but sometimes you got to position yourself in these things. So overall, guys, the worst thing about today is the lack of firepower for many people, but we can continue to look through these. Let's have a look at Pal AI. $150 million, 19 cents. What would I be interested here? There's a lot of AI projects that sit around these levels. Let's have a look at Hypermapper now. Hypermapper now, 131 million. Not bad. The one that I actually bought in this dip, especially just today, is Delicium AGI. I think AGI is a fantastic project and has probably the biggest strength in the top 200. I kid you not. I mean, this was hugging at 19 cents. Don't forget, this was nearly $1. Delicium AGI is a fantastic buy if you're looking for a kind of some of the gems in RWA. You've got Proper here, you've got Rio. So guys, look, everywhere you look, what is Turbo now? Let's have a look at Turbo. Turbo now is at $200 million in market cap, right? The only thing is, over here, you just need to have so much focus on your bag. Heroes of Mavia, another favorite of mine. I'm literally close to what I consider to be a fantastic bag, and this is now at $1. It's never been at $1, guys. Never. It's never been to these levels. So overall, crypto's beat up, and I can honestly say it is probably the most amazing opportunity that we've come across in a very long time. Now, in terms of my overall projects and portfolio, I'm still gonna dollar cost average regardless. It doesn't make any difference for me whether I want to do, let's see if we have look at these deep in projects. Let's see what Dynex is doing today. So listen, guys, it is a great time to be alive. I mean, my message is very simple and very clear. I'm buying whatever I can. However, my buys have always traditionally been strong. That's why they are quite consistent. So over here, Blender, 16 million in market cap, 39 cents, fully diluted, right? Absolute gem. For those of you that look at OPSEC, we got in at 10 cents. What is it now? 49 cents. Okay, it's $47 million. Octaspace, $51 million right now, 171, 6x for the year. Fantastic performance. One of the stronger cryptocurrencies. Hash AI, $51 million. I mean, 3 zeros and a 6. One of Alex Becker's coins. And of course, Dynex right now sitting at 52 cents, holding very strong actually in comparison to where it's been, and showing real strength. Now, in this particular field, I would also mention, I don't think Natix is added to here as well, or Navi. Yeah, Navi's not here. I would just add Natix and Navi to this list, and that looks like a fantastic list. Now, layer ones is very interesting, right? The layer ones that I tend to track, and I'm going to add Sui in here. I think Sui is now small enough for investors like us to consider, especially for quality layer ones, guys. It's very important that you've got a wide diversity of layer one projects. Now, if you look at my layer ones, alephium, Cas, Say, Sui, Tectum, and again, Octa is a layer one as well. So big discounts. Now, what I would say is this is where the magic's at today. If I was to buy 2 projects today, there'll be alephium and there'll be Heroes of Mavia. I'd put a lot of money, and AGI as well, because I think under 20 cents AGI is a phenomenal buy. So yeah, guys, look, we could keep going about these, but I would say one thing. Let's look at AI. Let's look at AI. Basedai. I mean, all my AI project right now, basedai 50% down for the month, and it's at $3. Now, the good thing about basedai was sticking to $3 quite a bit. But if you're looking for gems, consider AGI as well. 131 million, one of the strongest cryptocurrencies out there in the market. aitech down 36%, $79 million at this point. 11 cents is a phenomenal buy as well. DAI Zero Labs is another one that I'm interested in. So guys, you get the picture. Overall, listen, times are shit, but when times are shit, you just have to go completely and utterly fearless and try to bring more money into the market. I mean, whether you go and sell stuff at cash converters, or whether you go to your local high street and take a loan, doesn't matter. You're going to be absolutely wealthy. And it's only a matter of time, not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. I hope you are doing the same, guys. So yeah, anyway, take care. I'll see you on the next one. And in the comments, do let me know what you're buying, and smash a like, guys. If you're new to the channel, follow us. Take care.